In this video, we'll take a look at a tour of Canvas for our class. So when you enter our class, the first page has a welcome to the course, Elementary Statistics. Then it has the dates, spring, my instructor information. There's an introduction video posted there. My contact information, office hours that contain a link to Zoom. So I've got some office hours that are in person and Zoom, and then other office hours that are Zoom only. To get help at the tutoring or the Learning Center, here's a link to the Learning Center tutors for subject areas. Then the course content, each of the modules, a link to each module is included on the front page. The getting started, very first item is make sure that you read the syllabus and complete the syllabus quiz by Tuesday, March 22nd, and enter my math lab and complete the first homework assignment by March 24th. All right, so let's explore what's on the buttons on the side. So the home page is what you'll always open to. Then the announcements are next. Every week I'll send an announcement out. This time it's the welcome letter that I'll send sent on Monday. The syllabus is next. Our course syllabus, I also have a PDF file. So please read through the syllabus. It's got very important information. The file is here so that you can open it and answer the questions on your syllabus quiz as you're reading the syllabus. So we've got textbook information, class schedule again, similar to what's on the front page, the grading policy. So my math lab homework, there are 10 assignments worth 15 points each. Technology labs, 3 assignments at 15 points each. These have to do with a package software called StatCrunch that comes with our textbook. We have 3 online My Math Lab tests at 75 points each, and a midterm and a final exam in Canvas where it's written, 2 exams at 75 points each. The midterm and the final are required assignments in the course. These are to make sure that, for 2 reasons. One, that the person that's completing the course is the person who is enrolled. And the second is it's shows the rigor in the course when you transfer this class to the universities. You've got your letter grades, instructor policies, so I'll leave these for you to read, but just know that they're in the syllabus. When you click on modules, the first module is Getting Started, your Getting Started activities, the online syllabus again. The syllabus quiz is here. How to enter MyLab and Mastering with your access code. If you don't have a chance to get your access code, you can get a temporary 2-week access so you don't get behind. And then the calendar for our class. And the calendar shows what we're doing each week. So it's maybe worth it to look at that. If you want to download it, click on the link itself. And then you can open. So this is what we're doing every week along with the due dates for the entire course. All right, so back to modules. In the Getting Started module is everything that you need to get started. Resources are hints and tips for success and some technology tips. There's some link to StatCrunch tutorials. Some of them are YouTube, and then there's some step-by-step for each section in the textbook, just as a quick, easy reference for you. Then I also have a link to PDF if you don't have Adobe Acrobat already. Each of the modules is set up the same way. Module 1 first has the assignment calendar and course objectives, notes and resources, and then a link to the homework assignment. I'm going to recommend that instead of accessing homework from Canvas, that you access homework directly from the MyLab and Mastering. You just have a little bit more functionality. Then we've got Chapter 2 and 3 notes and resources, homework. Then the first Canvas assignment is a technology lab. So you will complete the technology lab and then submit it through Canvas. The tests and the homework are all in my math lab. So what the assignment calendar looks like is just a basic week 1. It's a repeat of what I have already in the file in the Getting Started. Then the resources to help you learn. For each chapter, I've got notes. I've got some additional resources. So please check here Some of the videos from my math lab I've taken and linked them here, so you don't have to search for them in my math lab. Okay, then there's a homework assignment. This is what it looks like. You'll have to get yourself set up first before you can access any of the homework, and we'll talk about that in a different video. Chapter 2-3 resources. There's some additional resources here, Technology Lab 1, notes. So check and see what you've got in the resources in each of the modules, okay, to learn content. So each module, Module 2, the midterm will be open, Module 3, Module 4, and a final exam. So everything is in order by week, and then the order that I'd like you to complete. So the Technology Lab, so I'll just click on Technology Lab 2, goes through, the directions are in PDF form, and there might be other additional videos to help you, but this walks you through how to use StatCrunch for each of the sections in the textbook. So don't do anything by hand. Sometimes you'll click on Help Me Solve This and it will give you the by hand, but we're doing everything we can with technology because the course isn't about number crunch. It's about being able to interpret what the values that you have. So then we've got a link to my lab in mastering, and I'll go through this in another video of how my lab works. Your grades are here. So as things get graded, your score will end up here. My math lab grades it automatically and sends your grades over. And then things that are turned in through Canvas, I provide feedback or a rubric, and those are also here. All right, the quiz that you have, the very first quiz, is a syllabus quiz. So when you go to the Getting Started activities, you'll want to read the syllabus, complete the syllabus quiz. You'll want to make sure that you enter the My Lab in Mastering with either your access code or 2-week free access and complete the first homework by Thursday, March 24th. These two things are required to confirm participation and attendance in the course. That's Yavapai policy. The syllabus quiz will open on March 10th, and what you do is go through and answer each of the 10 questions, and that confirms that you've read and understand the syllabus. All right, that's a general tour of the setup of the class, and as you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask.